Hey everyone, how are you? Today I came up with one watercolor portrait and also I will explain all about watercolor, so don't skip the video. See till the end. Let's start the video right now. Watercolor painting is the process of painting with pigments that are mixed with water. Of all the painting processes, watercolor painting is known for its inherent delicacy, subtlety, because watercolor art is all about thin washes and transparent color. Traditionally, watercolor artists work on paper, though the tooth of the surface can vary gently. Oftentimes, the watercolor of the white painting surface will gleam through and lend itself to the luminosity of the painting. When artists first learn how to paint watercolor art, the fluidity of the medium is often stumbling block because it makes the paint less predictable. Successful watercolor artists know how to balance control and freedom in their work, using watercolor painting techniques that creates effect that often occurs almost by accident rather than on purpose. A watercolorist uses watercolor painting techniques like washes, working wet in wet and wet on dry, lifting out and masking out for highlights, and dozens of other techniques to achieve textural effects. But most of all, watercolor paintings comes back to the premise that the watercolor lessons and methods matter. But what matters most to a watercolor artist is letting go and finding a balance between controlling and freeing this painting medium. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Take care. Bye.